Hey guys, welcome back to the Bitcoin market update. Today is February 24th, 2019. Yeah, let's grab some coffee. Cheers to you guys. We're going to jump right into this. Did a little shopping with the wife today. You will not believe how complicated buying pants are for a lady nowadays. It's crazy. Boot cut, high cut, or yeah, high waisted jeans, um, straight leg, um, baggy, stretchy, stretch. There's a difference between stretch and stretchy. Apparently, I didn't know the difference. Um, yeah, it's insane. About halfway through, I abandoned the mission and hung out at a hunting store. So yeah, there you go. That's yeah, complicated. We'll see. Let's check this out, shall we? Total market cap $123 billion. Hey, last night, did any of you get stopped out? I certainly hope you did. Those stops are there for a reason. They make us money. How about BTC USDT on the 1 day for Binance? Let's check it out. $3,789. I'm getting a little bounce here. I guess that's normal, right? But yeah, we're out of it now. I'm gonna flip this over to a red, and we're gonna watch this very carefully. It's possible. So here's the thing, right? Yeah, money flow left the building and is still going down, so that's why we're getting out of it. But we're still above the Kumo cloud, right? So there's still a lot of possibility for this thing to float sideways, right? But in accordance to where my stop was, I put a place to stop here at 40.90. Got out there. That was kind of a sweet spot. But now we're just in cash, and we've been in cash all this way down, which is really fantastic. I'm gonna watch this carefully, and you notice that the RSI has already bottomed and is starting to recover. That's quite interesting, because if we go back in time, here the RSI bottomed and started to recover. If you would have got in right there and ran it all the way up, you would have done pretty well, right? So what are we looking at here? Is this RSI bottoming, given a little bit of a bounce and then more downturn? Yeah, I don't know. So that's what's so beautiful about trading the day. We could get a bounce here, but we're out, so we're calling it out, and we'll see what happens. But we've got to watch this money flow. We got to watch a lot of things, so we'll just check it out. Also, volume. So that being said, we're going to stay out of it. How about XRP BTC? XRP going down on the 1 day for Binance. Stay out of it. Notice that it did have a little bit of a pump here, but nothing fancy. LTC BTC, let's check this one out. LTC going down too. Hope you got stopped out on this one as well. Boom, boom. We're out of here. There you go. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put that in on the BTC one. Let's check that out. Yep, there it is. Stops, man. Stops are the best. How about ETH BTC? How's anyone feel about this one here? Let's check this one out here. ETH is that's funny. So ETH is a sell, and man, that money flow is totally leaving the building. That's so crazy. Very interesting. Getting a little bit of a bounce here, but still below the 9-day moving average. This is totally to be expected. See, after the sell-off, you got to at least come back up and touch that average and see what's, that's your touchstone on reality right here, right? So when we were flying up here and above the 9-day moving average, this is not based on reality for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row. On the 8th day, we came back down and smashed through into reality. That's interesting. But yep, we're going to have to keep an eye on this. You may, if you're already got stopped out, you may want to put a stop back in, right? So if this RSI continues its uptrend here, when we get some real nice movement, it could do really well. As we've been looking at this, where we go up, pull back, go up, pull back, went up a little bit. Now we got our mean pullback. We could possibly go up some more or trade sideways before more dumping. So yeah, that being said, let's pull out of this Ethereum chart. ETH's been pretty good for, you know, once it like breaks the 9-day, it usually stays below it, but we'll see where it takes us. Right now, Ethereum, stay out of it for now, and remember, anything's possible. We could switch back and forth on this. Oop, that was BCH. Let's see what this one is. Bitcoin Cash, same thing. We're going down out of this one. Oh boy, you know what, I'm not doing so well on this. I better clean that up. And this one too. There you go. Oh, wrong one. That's it right there. Okay, let's refresh that. Make sure everything sticks. And Bitcoin Cash SV, we've still been out of that anyway. Tron is starting to rally. I love this big spike up here, but we're still not buying it yet. Okay, not yet. Love the RSI moving up here, but you know, money flow is looking okay, but still we're not getting into it yet. Theta, what do we got here? Theta's trying to rally a little bit. Now, it could be because of what we saw. It's kind of like, you know, Bitcoin crashed really hard, but everything else kind of stayed flat. So by default, your BTC value has gone up. So what we're probably going to do is just stay out of this for now until it proves itself above the 9, if it's possible. So stay out of that one. ADA. Yeah. Boy, Cardano took a big hit here, didn't it? Oh boy. Absolutely, we're out of this one. Yowza. Okay, well, that one's out too. Good. All right. So I can't wait. So I just got home, so I can't wait to check these charts and see, you know, all these stops triggered and see how we're sitting here with, because now we're sitting on Tether, right? So we're sitting on some Tether, and it's yeah, we should have a nice stack of it. That's really great. Okay, Zetcoin BTC, stay out of that one. Boy, it sure had a nice run up, almost to the 50-day moving average. We're gonna stay out of that one. Ethereum Classic. This was a buy, and now it's a sell, like everything else. Yeah, like, well, not like everything else, like a lot of things. You know, you notice that everything is a sell right now? That's crazy. ZRX 0x. Let's refresh this. Just want to go back one more. Yep. Okay. ZRX BTC. Stay out of it. We've been out for a while, since 25th of January, so it's still going down. How about Dash BTC? Okay. Now, yep, same thing here. Same thing. We're out of this one too. Boy, this dump was good for shaking out all these stops. This is fantastic. Basic attention token. Look, it actually rallied that day, but you know, we're still out of it. We'll see what happens here. Stay out of that. Populous PPT still going down. Yeah. Okay. OMG. How about this one? Still OMG's hanging tough. Look at that. OMG, stay in it. It's one of the few good ones. Neo, stay in this. Neo had a nasty pullback, but it stayed above the 9 and is still hanging strong. We're above the 200-day moving average. Fantastic. I like that. XLM, Stellar Lumens. What do we got here? Boy, we had some major catastrophe. I'll tell you what, it's possible that I dump Stellar right here or whatever. We're out of it right here. But it's very possible that today or the next day we could have an absolute buy where we buy back in. So we'll have to see how that goes. But for now, it's totally XLM. We're out of here. It got shaken out real bad by that Bitcoin dump. So let's move on. BNB, look at this one. BNB BTC, we're still in it. It did get thrashed pretty hard, but did recover. Now here's the thing. BNB is benefiting from the Bitcoin crash because, or pullback, because people dumped Bitcoin to get BNB. So it's benefiting. So that's really great. Stay in it. EOS. EOS, how about this? Is still a buy. Looking good. It pulled back to the 9, got a little bounce, and now we're even recovering a little bit. But overall, it's still looking pretty strong. We do need to see more volume, or more money flow and more volume out of this, so we can push a little higher on EOS. But so far, we're looking good. We're looking okay. I like that. Stay in it. DigiByte, DGB. Ooh, Digi, staying green. I like it. We're gonna stay in it for now. This would have been a great scalping opportunity. I missed it. I did not even see that at all. If I go back to the hour chart, yeah, that was a while ago. So yeah, I totally didn't see any of that. Let's move back to the day. The daily, we're battling. We see we pushed up right through that Kumo cloud, punched even higher, and then now it's pulled back, and hopefully we can battle to get above that Kumo cloud one more time. We're gonna see what happens. If money flow continues to dump, then probably tomorrow we'll get rid of it. How about Humanique? Oh, man. Giving this stuff away like, I don't know, what would you call it? Like a crack addict? Like I don't know anything about that world, but yeah, I'm just giving it away for free. Hey, if you got a Pillar wallet, friend me on Pillar, or get a Pillar wallet and friend me on it, and I'll send you a little Humanique to help start your journey on your Pillar journey. It's pretty awesome. And check out the Pillar wallet. It's not just for Pillar, it's for Ethereum or all ERC20 tokens. You're talking about over 1,000 tokens you could put in that Pillar wallet. Pillar has nothing to do with me. They've never endorsed me. They don't even say hi, right? But I'm just saying that I have looked at this project and I love to see good things happen, and I think Pillar is a good project. So yeah, great place to store your coins offline. You can store them on your phone. It's perfect. Android or iOS. How about Proppy? P-R-O. Ooh, doggy. How about Proppy? Let's check it out. It's still going tough. Look at that. Yeah, it had a pullback. It got thrashed like the rest of them. But believe it or not, it stayed strong. So, wow, good job. We're still in it. Didn't get stopped out on that one. Bravo. And BTT. What do we got here? More sideways. This thing just trades sideways in this channel. Let's put the channel in here. There's your channel. And probably somewhere right here. So, probably just going to keep doing that for a little bit. Unless volume, if volume totally dumps and money flow stops, then yeah. And it's also one of the highest traded coins. BitTorrent is one of the highest traded coins on Binance right now, and look how cheap it is. What? I'll tell you what, if it breaks below here, the support, then I would anticipate it going real low, at which point we could all jump in and get thousands of them for real cheap. So yeah, I'm looking to buy even cheaper, just for fun. All right, thanks guys for joining me tonight, this evening. Look at all the red. Go check it out. There's probably, go check your portfolios, check those stops, see how they went. Honestly, I haven't been really in tune with the markets at all today. I'm really excited to jump into Binance and to Bittrex and see what's going on over there. All right, guys. God bless you. Have a great day. I'm out. See you tomorrow.